A chemical reaction is given in this question, that is, two molecules of A is converting into one molecule of B and one molecule of C. The equilibrium constant Kc of the reaction is given as 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. And the concentration of A, B and C are same, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Based on these given data, we have to choose the correct statement from these options. Before that, we need to know what is the difference between the equilibrium constant Kc and reaction quotient Qa. The reaction quotient is calculated using the concentrations of the reactants and products at any point in the time during a reaction. It helps to determine the direction in which a reaction will proceed to reach equilibrium. And the equilibrium constant Kc is a value that expresses the ratio of the concentrations of reactants to products at equilibrium condition. It is a measure of the extent to which a reaction proceeds to form the products. Here the equilibrium constant value is given as 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, and for this given reaction we can write the concentrations as 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Using the concentration, we can find out the value of reaction quotient Q, that is the concentration of product divided by the concentration of the reactant. Here the coefficient of A is 2, so the concentration term should be raised to the power of 2 and the final value will be 1. So from this value we could see that the value of Q is greater than Kc. That is, the value of reaction quotient is greater than equilibrium constant. It means the reaction will move in backward direction. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is the reaction has a tendency to go in backward direction. This is the correct answer as per our calculations. And the second one says the reaction has gone to the completion forward reaction. This is wrong. And the third statement is also wrong because it says the reaction is at equilibrium. At equilibrium, we could see that the Kc value should be equal to the value of reaction quotient. This is not happening here, means option C is wrong. And the last statement is also wrong. That is, the reaction has a tendency to go in forward direction. So the correct answer is option A.